Hello, and I welcome you all to the first lecture of the series. This is an introductory lecture on biotechnology and its applications. There are multiple ways to define the term biotechnology. But overall, it's the area of science which employs various biotechniques and tools and various methodologies like genetic engineering with the aim to improve the quality or the quantity of food, health, environment, and agriculture. This is what biotechnology overall stands for. This term biotechnology was first time used by Karoli Iraqi in 1919, and he was a Hungarian agricultural engineer. And since then, this branch of science has shown tremendous advancements and improvements and foundations in various fields, as you can see on your respective screens. Now, how has the biotechnology influenced food and agricultural sectors? Biotechnology has also improved the animal breeding techniques, be it the development of the biodegradable plastics or the improved wastewater management systems. Biotechnology helps to improve the health of the environment and achieve the sustainable development. Biotechnology has a very significant role to play in the field of medicine. Like multiple recombinant proteins which are used for the treatment of various conditions and diseases have been developed because of biotechnology. Like for treating diabetes mellitus, the protein insulin was developed. For treating dwarfism, the protein human growth factor was developed. And for the cancer and AIDS, many factors including interferons were developed. Let's now superficially talk about the genetically engineered insulin. It was back in 1983 when an American company, a famous American company actually, they prepared two DNA sequences which corresponded to the A and B chains of human insulin, and they introduced them in the plasmids of E. coli with the aim to produce the insulin chains. Once the A and B chains were produced separately, they were extracted and then they were combined by creating the disulfide bonds to form the human insulin. This human insulin is termed as humulin, and this is one of the major applications of biotechnology. Biotechnology also finds use in the production of steroids. Steroids are nowadays used as very valuable drugs, and they have been used in the treatment of hormonal disturbances or for suppressing the immune response in case of autoimmune diseases. They have also been employed in case of birth control pills, contraceptive pills. Actually, a combination of estrogens and progesterones is used. Both somatostatin and somatotropin they act in conjugation and help in regulating the growth of the human body, and that's why they are called as human growth hormones. And somatostatin, it was the first human protein to be produced in E. coli, and the gene for the somatostatin was chemically synthesized and then it was expressed as a fusion protein. So the production of human growth hormone is also an application of biotechnology. As you can see on your respective screens, I have mentioned recombinant vaccines as being one of the applications of biotechnology. Since it's a very basic lecture on biotechnology, I won't be able to elaborate fully on this, but I will give you a superficial idea about same. Actually, what happens that a gene which encodes a critical antigen, it is isolated from the pathogen and then it's expressed in another system like a bacteria or an animal, and the recombinant protein so produced that is used as a vaccine, and such vaccines have been termed as recombinant vaccines. Some of the examples are like subunit vaccines or DNA vaccines. Similarly, for the production of monoclonal antibodies, hybridoma technology. Now let's talk about the transgenic animals. The production of transgenic animals is done using recombinant DNA technology, in which the foreign genes are inserted into the genome of the organism. Various examples include the transgenic fish, transgenic pig, transgenic sheep, transgenic dog, transgenic cattle, rabbits, or mice. Now, what's the logic behind the development of these transgenic animals? So that was all for today. I'll be back soon with a new lecture. Till then, stay blessed. Thank you so much.